What's up, guys? Welcome back to Day Montaigne. I am back on the island for the first time in a month after being at home with my family, and today we are going on a camping trip. Literally day one, and we're going on a camping trip. We are headed to Sombrio Beach, which is a well-known campground and beach area here on Vancouver Island. It's about a 2.5-hour drive from Nanaimo. Really cool spot to check out. I've been looking forward to seeing it since I got here, so let's do it.
Backcountry camping.
Backcountry camping.
You gotta plan this right.
So this is why everything is a shit show already. This is gonna be a fun one to carry for a whole kilometer to our campsite.
Yep.
Look at this.
A good workout.
Why? Why?
How many beers we got?
Why do they have to weigh so much?
It's okay, it'll be worth it.
All of this for one night.
For one night?
For one night.
It'll be worth it.
Quick stop at Cabela's for some food.
Food and a mattress.
Food and a mattress. For those of you who watched my last camping video, you know that we fell in love with the dehydrated mountain chili. And there's one left.
Yes! I wish we could like all hold around it. It's way too big for that.
Try. Why do we have so much shit?
What is happening?
Why
is this cooler so
every time?
Very nice, very nice. Very nice.
Not a bad place to set up camp. Okay, we're gonna go hiking to a waterfall, so I put my scuba booties on. Found the hidden cave to the waterfall.
Is it warm? No. No? Get in there.
To go in or not to go in? Hey, what do you think?
Yeah, I think we should.
Beautiful sunshine.
That fuck is so happy.
Sunny. First time we've seen sun today, people. Good news. It just gets poured. Yeah, you just pour it in. Oh!
Very nice. Vegetarian chili.
Dinner is served.
Yum.
That looks like puke.
It's like floating corn.
It's like... Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Look at that delicacy right here. Ah. It smells pretty good actually. It smells like instant noodles.
Instant noodles. Noodlies. Yummy. Just waking up from our night on the beach in my little house. And the weather is not very nice again. I did camping. Less than 24 hours actually. Packing it out like good campers. Big Lonely Doug is Canada's second largest Douglas fir tree, standing at a staggering 70.2 meters high and is estimated to be over 1,000 years old. The old-growth forest around it was clear-cut in 2012, but the loggers couldn't bring themselves to cut it down. He's huge. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. We just got home, unpacked the car, and are feeling pretty exhausted after a long few days. As always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button on your way out so you don't miss my next upload. See you guys next time.